Hi, I'm Ben Hageman. I've been in the industry for decades, and we see in this industry pressure washers used and abused. We want to focus on uptime, focus on prevention, focus on not having problems, not having to worry. One of the tools we found very effective to use to fight against scale is Scaltrol. We stock all the sizes and different types here. We'll go over those in a minute, but first, what is scale? As you can see, if we zoom in on these pipes, you see that there's buildup of calcium, lime, and rust. They start to choke things off. They decrease the amount of heat transfer that can happen. Remember, scale is going to form in your hot water washers. The hotter the washer, the faster it tends to form. What happens is the minerals, calcium, lime, and rust, they separate out from the water when they're heated and they stick to the sides of the coil. Then you get this buildup. It's a hard, crusty thing. There's hundreds of feet of pipe inside a pressure washer, so there's really no other way to get it out mechanically. We do have products here. We've got one called Scale Away, which is designed to circulate through the pressure washer, dissolve it out. You can definitely order that on our website or give us a call and we'll send you some. But to prevent it is the best way. That's going to help you conserve your energy because you're going to have good heat transfer and not have you worry. So we prevent it with the Scaltrol. This is sequestrant, it's called. It keeps all these minerals sequestered or bound in the water so they can't stick to the side. So they just simply pass through the machine regardless of heat, using a proprietary polyphosphate blend. Now this is a hard, feels like stone product here, and as it's used, it's going to go down, put a new cartridge in. You're looking at this and thinking, wow, I could haul pallets of salt or I could haul one of these. This is a 100,000 gallon cartridge. This is a 50,000 gallon cartridge. We've even got a big boy here that's 500,000. So this slowly gets dissolved into the water, sequesters the minerals, prevents scale buildup, treats the inside of the pipe a little bit, and it's not corrosive. You use a water softener. I just alluded to the fact you have to carry lots of bags of salt. Remember, every time your water softener regenerates, it's going to use extra water, and you've got all that salt going down the drain, all that salt you've got to haul in. And not only that, when you're pressure washing, you're using a lot of water sometimes if you're washing constantly. So if the water softener begins to deplete, and needs to recharge right during the middle of that shift, hard water is going to give you scale buildup, and then you're either going to have a service technician coming in with a bigger bill, or you're going to have some downtime you don't want. So using the prevention is the way to go. As this goes down, you'll see the white slowly disappear. It's not a filter. It's a chemical that gets absorbed into the water. Now I just said chemical into the water, so that might have sounded a little bit scary. But it's NSF 60 certified, meaning it's food safe. So this goes in front of ice makers, in front of refrigerators, dishwashers, all these kinds of things. So don't worry about that too much, really at all. It's safe for you. And when this gets depleted 100,000 gallons later, that's a lot of water, a lot of time. On through the bottom, and this even comes with a new O-ring. Put in the new cartridge and you're good to go for another 100,000 gallons. Now, we've got a couple options here. You'll see this black unit is high temperature. This is typically only found in commercial kitchens where there's hot water system in the building already, and there's a separate boosting water heater on some kind of dishwasher or something like that. So this will be rated for 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This one's only rated for 100 degrees Fahrenheit for the water coming in. Cold tap water, just fine. Even, you wash your hands about 104, 105 degrees. So even warm water is fine, but you'll see this on your pressure washers and steam cleaners, and you'll see this one rarely in commercial kitchens. Now they both take the same element, so this one could be used everywhere else, but not nearly as nice because you don't get the clear look to know when you use that water and it's time to change the filters. Wow, even though I've been in the industry this long, I just said change the filter. I was wrong. It's an element, it dissolves. It's not a filter, it doesn't filter. If you've got any questions, we're always glad to help. You can call in, ask for me, I'll answer your questions. You can call in, talk to any of our other sales staff, we're here for you. We've got these on our website, very competitive prices, so click to order, get them coming your way.
American Pressure.